I have spent a lifetime staring at the stars, decoding the geometry of the heavens, and if there is one brutal truth I have learned, it is this. Love is not random. It is physics. It is energy. And sometimes that energy is explosive, while other times it is catastrophic. I want you to find your element, because that is where the secret lies. If you are a fire sign, my Aries, Leos, and Sagittarians, you are the hunters and the visionaries. You exist to consume life. That is why your best match is always air. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, they are the oxygen to your flame. They don't just understand your passion, they make it burn brighter. But you must stay away from water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they will drown you. Their emotional depth feels like a wet blanket on your spirit, extinguishing your light before you even have a chance to shine. Now, if you are an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you are the builders of the zodiac. You need structure. You need something real. That is why water is your divine counterpart. Think of rain falling on dry soil. Water signs soften you, they nourish you, and together you create growth. But you have to be careful with air signs. To you, air is just a tornado. They are too flighty, too unpredictable. They will kick up dust in your perfectly organized life and leave you feeling ungrounded and anxious. Then we have the air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You live in your mind. You need stimulation, not just affection. Your soulmate is fire. Fire dances with you. They take your brilliant ideas and actually turn them into action. It is an intoxicating mix of intellect and adrenaline. But you will suffocate with earth. Earth signs want to put you in a box. They want routine. For an air sign, that heaviness is a slow death. You need to fly, not sit still. And finally, my water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are the psychics, the feelers. You don't just want a partner, you want a container. That is why Earth is your sanctuary. They provide the riverbank to your river, holding you safe so you don't spill over. But you must avoid fire. It sounds exciting at first, the steam, the heat, but fire will eventually boil you alive. They are too abrasive for your sensitive soul, and you will end up evaporated, empty, and dry. The stars incline, they do not compel, but ignoring the cosmic weather report, that is a risk I wouldn't recommend taking. Choose wisely.